Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add page numbering to your PDF documents in the Bluebeam Revu application. So let us guide you through this. So open up your text document on Bluebeam Revu. Next, click into Batch here, and you will need to navigate to the header and footers menu. But instead of adding a simple text to your headers and footers, we're going to add a page numbering. So confirm the text you would like to edit by selecting it, by clicking into next. And then guys, here in that menu, what you want to do is select page number here next to insert, and then choose the page number format. For example, page 1 of how many pages your document contains. So we're going to use that option, and you may also set a start number, which will be, I assume, number 1 here for this document. Well, it's not the best example because the document contains only 1 page, but it works also for documents that contain multiple pages. So click into OK here. And then you may, for example, apply the page numbering to the header, or you can insert it in the footer or in the bottom right, and click into OK here. And you will see then, if we zoom in, that's the page numbering that starts here in the bottom right corner or in the page footer, and will then be applied to any consecutive page of the document. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.